Welcome. In today's video, you'll learn how to enable notifications for groups on the Telegram app using your PC. If you've missed group messages or updates lately, this quick guide will help you stay connected in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once Telegram is open, look toward the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see three small horizontal lines. This is the main menu icon. Click on it to open the sidebar menu. In this menu, find and select Settings. This section is where you can manage all of your Telegram preferences. Inside the Settings menu, look for and click on Notifications and Sounds. This is the place where Telegram groups all of your notification controls, including for private chats, channels, and groups. Next, you'll see different categories listed. Choose the one labeled Groups. By entering this section, you'll find all the notification options specifically for your group chats. Now, locate the switch that says Enable Notifications. If it's turned off, click to turn it on. Once enabled, you'll start receiving notifications whenever someone sends a message in any of your group conversations. You can also adjust more detailed preferences here, like sound alerts, pop-up notifications, or message previews, so you can customize your Telegram experience exactly how you like it. Once you've made your changes, simply close the settings window. The app automatically saves everything, so there's no need to press any save button. That's it. You've successfully enabled group notifications on Telegram for PC. It's a small adjustment that makes a big difference when staying up to date with your communities, projects, or friends. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more simple tech how-tos and tips.